Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step through connecting multiple data sources in Power BI, one of the most important skills for anyone working with business analytics or data visualization. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull in data from Excel files, CSV files, PDFs, and even web data, all into a single Power BI project. Whether you're just starting out or you simply want to make sure you're using Power BI like a pro, this tutorial is for you, so let's dive right in. To start off, open up Power BI on your computer. Our first task is to bring in data from an Excel workbook. On the Home tab, look for the Get Data button. It's usually in the top left, and it's where you'll begin almost any data import. Click on Get Data, and then select Excel Workbook from the drop-down menu. Now browse to find the Excel file you want to use. Take your time here, sometimes it takes a moment to remember where you've saved that file. Once you've selected it, Power BI will show you a preview of the tables and sheets inside. This is a good chance to double-check that you're pulling in the right data. When you're ready, simply click Load. Power BI will begin importing the Excel data, and you'll see it show up in the Fields pane. Don't worry if it takes a few moments, especially for larger files. Once your Excel data is loaded, it's time to do the same with a CSV file. Think of CSV files like the simplest kind of spreadsheet, often used for exporting raw data. Again, head back up to Get Data, but this time choose CSV from the list. Navigate to your CSV file. Maybe it's a sample dataset you've downloaded or one that's been emailed to you. Select it, click Load, and Power BI will quickly import the data. It's really that simple. If you ever see a small preview pop up, just make sure everything looks as expected before you load it. Alright, moving on, let's add some data from a PDF document. PDFs are a little trickier because they're not always formatted for easy data extraction, but Power BI does a great job of finding tables inside PDF files. Once more, go to Get Data, select PDF, and then choose your file. Pause for a second while Power BI analyzes the PDF. You'll get to see all the tables it can find, which is super handy if your PDF has multiple reports in it. Pick the one you need and click Load. Don't worry if Power BI grabs a little too much, that can be cleaned up later. Now, for something a bit different. Sometimes the data you need isn't on your computer at all yet, it's out there on the web. Maybe it's a table from a government statistics website or a list of product prices on a competitor's homepage. Open your web browser, head to Google, and search for the specific dataset you want to use. Once you find a web page with the data table, copy its URL. Then flip back to Power BI, click on Get Data, and this time look for Web. A dialog box will pop up. Just paste the URL in there, hit OK, and wait as Power BI fetches the page. It will try to detect tables in the page and show you a preview. Select the table that matches your data, click Load, and it will be added right alongside your other data sources. And that's it. You've successfully brought together a variety of data sources all into one Power BI workspace. This setup gives you the power to analyze and visualize information from just about anywhere, all in a unified dashboard. If you got stuck at any point, or if something didn't look quite right, don't worry, that happens to all of us. Just back up and try again, or drop your question in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a like, it really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tutorials, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an update from Ivy Pro School. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.